What's up, YouTube, and welcome to the .NET C Sharp series. In the previous video, we looked at what are functions, and we only have methods in C Sharp, and we also looked at parameters and arguments. Let's create a new function, addition. It will take double number 1, double number 2, and write their addition. So simple as that. Now we call addition. By the way, this is called calling a function. It's giving an error that no argument was provided. So let's give it 5.6 and 12.98. So it's showing me the result of both. So the code is working properly, but there is a problem here. The definition of the function is wrong. It's saying that the function is addition. So what we would think that this function will perform addition, but it's also printing the value. It should only return the result of n1 plus n2. Now it's giving error because this is not a return type function. We define return type here. So void means empty, no return type. But when you use a return keyword, so you are returning a value, you define a data type here. And what it does is this addition will now return a result, but not on the screen inside the code. So we need something to hold the result. Now you can pause the video and think that what is the thing which holds any information. So you might have guessed right, it is variables. So we can call it output, and after this addition we can say the addition of these two numbers. So we can do this. We are now calculating the addition from the addition function, and when it provides the results to the output, we then put it inside the console.write line. And it would be a more cleaner approach if we create another function, and this will be a void function. This will print out our result. Now for show input, we don't have a return type, so we can simply call the function using this syntax. So this is also calling a function. Now this will produce the same output. But this is a much cleaner approach that we have defined each set of function differently. So addition only does addition and the output only does output. Now let's see what a tuple looks like. I can define a function like this, and we can have multiple return type. So we can return multiple values like this, and we can call it calculate. So now this is a complex function, but it does amazing things. It's returning all of the values at once. So we can use the calculate function to create a tuple for ourselves. Result. We can define a tuple like this and provide two numbers, then print the result. So you can see that We have addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So we have received all of the results inside this result variable. And we can do one more thing. We can define the name of these variables as well. Now result dot subtract, multiply, and divide. This will produce the same result. And we can also do one more thing. We can remove the result entirely. Now we have four variables created using the concept of tuple. So this is all for the video. Thanks for watching and do subscribe to the channel. See you next time.